first saw him, he was in pretty poor shape. He was barely able to walk around, lots of cuts, wounds, oozing all over him. He was very, very thin, and he was surrounded by, in that particular area, probably around 300 or so dogs. I've seen a lot of dogs come through a lot of things, but this dog has so much heart and so much fight in him that I couldn't imagine him not being a part of my life. Camo loves to wake me up at 6:30 in the morning to go outside, so he goes out, goes for his run, smells everything, eats breakfast. Camo stays in. We put his dog TV channel on. He watches TV. He's kind of a couch potato, but he's a cool dude. Everything Camo does makes me laugh. He's just silly. He'll randomly grab things and he'll come back and look at me and it's like, come on, look what I have, come and get me. When he does come and wake me up in the mornings, it's kind of a playful bark and it's really funny. He's a big goofball and he's just a lot of fun to be around. I just love you.